Like, hey guys, what's up? It's your girl, Songboy Nicole, and today, first of all, welcome back to my off-brand channel. Yay! And today I'll be reacting to how Birds of Prey, yeah, I watched it, should have ended. Harley Quinn. Yeah, let's get into this reaction. If you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Comment your reaction requests below on my videos or on my Instagram under any of my posts, or DM me. I'm also on Twitter, hit me up, and I'm also on Facebook. Let's get into this reaction.
They say if you want to tell a story right, you gotta start at the beginning. Or you can just change the ending with a nitpicky video about it later on YouTube.
Well, yes, we were all wondering why they didn't call it that. HISHE.
We lost the diamond. What?
I'm really sorry, Mr. S. This kid...
We never even got our hands on it.
That's not true.
What? Shut up. Yes, it is. Don't listen to her, boss. She's lying.
No, I'm not. I had the diamond, but this fool took it from me because he didn't trust me carrying it.
Right.
Then he got himself pickpocketed by a little kid.
No, I didn't. Shut
Right.
up. I hate you so much. Victor, why would you do that? Why would you lie to me? I'm going to have to ask you to cut your own face off now. But I don't want to. Oh, I'm sorry, buddy. But you don't have a choice. Oh.
I'm the boss.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Harley Quinn! She's using non-lethal glitter bomb! Holy crap! Hey, stop right there!
That scene was hilarious.
Harley Quinn's taking us out one by one! Well, genius, stop taking turns and group up then. Freeze!
Welcome.
We heard you know where Harley Quinn
That could have solved it.
Tell us where she is.
Okay.
No, we'll give you lots and lots of money.
No.
No. Okay, I guess we'll just go ask someone else then.
That could have
Okay,
solved that
let's
problem.
go bring back Harley Quinn
No.
and that diamond-stealing kid from the funhouse. Just gonna put my phone in my pocket so no private text messages jump out in the open while we drive.
Right.
Nothing. And we're off. And we're off.
That could have solved that problem.
You don't think you can stand on your own, Quinn? You're not the type! You need me!
I'm the one they should be scared of. Not you, not Mr. J. Because I'm Harley.
No, because I'm Batman. I got you.
Come on! Let me go!
You're supposed to be Batgirl. What is that?
Oops.
You obviously have a lot to learn.
Son of a crap. Harley! What happened? That man just swooped in and took everything. Oh, come on! Are you serious? Well, this is Gotham City. He was bound to show up sooner or later.
I was wondering where
Really
it was all
thought
this
this
time.
time was gonna be different. Not the usual same old song and
Hey,
dance.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh
Oh,
no.
yes.
what's up?
You look different.
I know.
You look good.
Want to get out of here? Get into some trouble?
I don't need you. Haven't you been paying attention? I got my girls now. Yeah. Yeah,
The
screw
one
you,
you left
clown.
in the end.
Whatever. I don't care.
Man said, screw you, clown.
Oh, he's so mysterious in that rebel without a cause sort of way. I just can't resist it. Why didn't wait for me? Harley, no. Yeah, don't be stupid. I'm sorry, girls. He just looks like what I wanted the first time. So we're back together.
After the way he's treated you. Yeah, I thought you would have shot him in the nuts. So
Right.
did I. Exactly.
Oh, I'd never do that to my snookos. Besides, I was out of bullets.
Not that loud though. should have ended. There's I was gonna say something about the Joker, but gonna lose subscribers if I say that. Anyway, I never liked that Joker show. I never liked that Joker. I prefer the one from Suicide Squad. Yeah, I'm gonna lose subscribers, but I had to say it. I love the one from Suicide Squad. He's crazy. It's crazy, really crazy. Yeah. Anyway, guys, if you like what you see and you want to join Reaction Nation, the subscribe to my channel, like and share. Comment your reaction request below if you have one. And I don't have a specific day when I post. I used to, but I don't. It doesn't make sense anymore. But anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching and see you next video.